Albert Einstein (1879–1955) was a German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity, one of the two pillars of modern physics, alongside quantum mechanics. His work is also known for its influence on the philosophy of science. Image of Albert Einstein, black and white photo. Einstein is best known to the general public for his mass-energy equivalence formula E=mc², which has been dubbed the world's most famous equation. He received the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics for his services to theoretical physics, and especially for his discovery of the law of the photoelectric effect, a crucial step in the development of quantum theory. Einstein's work is also known for its influence on the philosophy of science. He was a vocal critic of positivism and advocated for a more holistic view of science. He believed that science should not be limited to the study of observable phenomena, but should also include the study of the underlying laws of nature. Einstein was a pacifist and a vocal critic of nuclear weapons. He was also a strong advocate for international cooperation and understanding. Einstein's work has had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. His theories have been used to develop new technologies, such as nuclear power and lasers. They have also helped us to better understand the nature of space, time, and gravity. Einstein was a brilliant and original thinker who made significant contributions to our understanding of the universe. He was also a passionate advocate for peace and understanding. His legacy continues to inspire people around the world.